Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Samsung won't go into recovery mode. Here's how a Samsung phone user describes the issues from the forum. I tried to enter recovery mode to perform a cache partition wipe, but no matter what I tried, it just booted normally. I'm unable to get my Samsung phone to boot into recovery mode. I tried holding down various key combinations, but nothing worked. I also tried holding them down for a longer time, but that didn't work either. Are there any solutions? If so, please tell me how to fix my Samsung not entering recovery mode. We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. When you want to know why your Samsung won't boot into recovery mode, don't panic. To help you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. Not connected to a computer. The solution is to connect to a computer using a USB cable. Some Android phone brands require not only the correct key combination but also a USB cable connection to a computer to enter recovery mode. If your Android phone is not connected to a computer when you try to enter recovery mode, this might be the reason why you can't boot into Samsung recovery mode. So, please connect your phone to a computer using a USB cable and try entering recovery mode again. If you are unsure of the key combination for your Android device, you can leave a comment in the comment section, and we will reply as soon as possible. Cause 2. Faulty USB cable. The solution is to use a different USB cable. If you still cannot boot into recovery mode on your Samsung phone after connecting it to a computer with a USB cable, another possibility is that the USB cable is faulty, preventing the Android phone from being correctly recognized when entering recovery mode. To solve this problem, try using a different USB cable. After connecting, try entering recovery mode again using the correct key combination. If the problem is caused by the USB cable, the Samsung won't boot into recovery mode issue will be resolved. Cause 3. System malfunction. The solution is to reset the device. You can also try resetting your device to fix the can't enter recovery mode on Samsung problem. A factory reset can fix most problems on your phone, but this operation will erase all Android content and settings, returning your Android phone to its factory state to fix the issue of your Samsung phone not entering recovery mode. Therefore, please be sure to back up your device data before performing this operation. Next, we will demonstrate how to perform a factory reset. Please watch carefully. Open your phone's settings, scroll down and select System and Updates, then select the Reset option in the new interface, and finally select the Reset Phone option. Please wait patiently for the operation to complete. After resetting your Android settings, try entering recovery mode again to see if the problem has been resolved. Cause 4. Hardware damage. The solution is to go to the brand service center for further inspection. If you have tried all the above methods and the problem of not being able to access recovery mode on your Samsung phone still persists, we recommend that you take your phone to the brand service center for further inspection. They can check if there is a problem with any internal hardware of the phone. If so, you will only be able to repair it or buy a new phone. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If this helps you fix the Samsung cannot boot into recovery mode issue, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.